Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari, Biological Science. Today we will discuss topic how to create a double YX bar graph in the GraphPad Prism software. This is the data for set for the double Y axis bar graph. Okay, we take the single samples in the two tests, the pH and the terminity. Take the test for the 10 time replications. Okay, this is the data set. Okay, go to the GraphPad Prism software. This is a GraphPad Prism selected for the created XY and data table selected for the enter or import data into new table. Okay, this sections the data section selected already. Okay, the options menu X and Y. This X is in numbers. Then Y is a enter the plot a new enter and plot a single Y value for the each point. Okay, they select the first one options, then click the create button. Okay, the data sheet. Okay, now the copy paste the data set. Go to the Excel sheet, the copy the title, the paste the group A and group B in the title Y axis. Paste the data. Paste the data. Okay, next the copy the data. Paste the data. Okay, now the how to create the double Y axis in GraphPad software. Okay, the select this button, create a new graph for exiting the data. Okay, the button, the open the new tab, the table for the data one for the data sheet. Okay, the next one show the kind of the graph, the show the XY and the column group the categories in many options. I selected the column and the selected for the mean median error. Okay, the select the column bar graph and the column bar graph plot for the mean with the standard deviations, or then click the button. This is many options available for the this software. Okay, now I choose for mean with the standard deviations. Okay, then click the OK button, then open the data for the graph in the GraphPad Prism software. Now the select the axis and the increase the length for the 7 centimeter. Okay, the 7 centimeter. If you want the increase the graph size, then go to the resize the graph selected and large. The next one time large, and the next one time they click the large button. Okay, the graph is large. Now the select the graph and right click, the open the format graph. Okay, open the new tab for the format of the graph. Okay, the data set is selected for the data 1B, the terminity. Okay, this is click the button, that next one data for your first data pH and B data for the terminity. Okay, terminity is selected. Then the select for the appearance for the bar. Okay, they select the bar, the plot for the mean with the standard deviations. Okay, the bar, the color, fill the color, select the button, select the any one color for the bar. Okay, they select the color, then apply. This is a bar color is change the red, then border is a 3, then change to the 2, then apply. The border 2 is a color is already standard for the black color. Okay, the next one for the simple options. This is for the simple options. Next one for the error bar. Error bar color for the already this is a error bar, the standard color for the black. Okay, this is for the standard style, the different style for the standard bar error. Okay, this is that one style. I choose the first one. Okay, the next one for the directly above and below and both. Okay, this is select the below and select the below options for the standard error. Okay, choose the both. This is the both side for the standard error. I only choose for the above. Okay, then above. This is for the thickness for the standard error. Choose the 2 for with the same thickness for the border size. Okay, they select the 2. If you change any color for the error bar, choose the color. Okay, the green, apply then green. This is a standard error bar, only the change color. Okay, the standard color for the black selected. Okay, now the change for the y-axis in the terminity. Okay, this is additional options, the plot data on the left y-axis and the right y-axis. This is already left this is the left y-axis. I choose the right y-axis, then apply. Okay, this is for the right y-axis in the terminity. the left p axis only, the next y axis as a pH. Okay, then click the apply button. Okay, the next one options for the change to the bar graph in the pH. Okay, the select the data set, change to the pH. Okay, the color for the green, then apply. Okay, this is the color change, the border is same to the 2, and also the error bar is also above the 2, border is 2, then apply. Okay, then now the OK, click the OK button. Okay, then select for the right side y axis. Then this is many options for the thickness and the axis thickness, the auto, the standard for the 2. Then next one for the axis color, change to the any color of the axis. If you want the green, okay, red color of the axis, okay, choose the black. Okay, the next one for the frame, okay, the plane frame, okay, the cover of the plane frame. Okay, the next one for the axis format, select the button, then open the axis format. Okay, this is for the y axis. So right side y axis, this is for the left side y axis is for the pH. I now the customized for the right side y axis. Okay, the minimum value, the unclick for the automatically checkbox. Okay, this is value for 300, the maximum value for 500, then click the apply. Okay, this is for the change to the 300 to 500 for the right y axis value. Okay, if you change to the left side axis, the standard is also the same. Okay, this is for the minimum value 5 to maximum value 10. Okay, the change, and the title and the front, this is options, the many options, XH, standard, frame margins. Okay, then click the OK button. The next one option was selected, the bar graph. Okay, this is for the value entered in the bar graph. Okay, the plotted value, mean, medium value, this is select the second options, then click the apply button. Our value entered in the upper the bar graph. Okay, this is for the direction is vertical, I change it to the horizontal. Okay, the horizontal, and the format is two type, the scientific and the dimensional. The dimensional auto is standard, I choose the increase for the dot after the dynamical number 3. Okay, this is for the increase the 3. Okay, standard for the 2. Okay, next the click the apply button. You change the font, same options, the appearance, the select the automatic direction, select the font button. Okay, the time Roman font Arial, the standard I change to the time Roman. Okay, then click OK, then apply. Okay, this is for the time Roman. If you want the bold, select the bold. Okay, this is value bold, this also the same, change the time Roman 14, and this color select the bold. This also the same, the left side y axis, time Roman, change the font, then 14 and black. Okay, the y axis title pH, and next one for the right side y axis terminity. This is for the sample. This also the same, the change to the font time Roman 14. This also the change that font time Roman. Time Roman, change font 14. Okay, this is the title for the double Y. double yx bar graph with standard deviations. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you any doubt, leave me comments in the comment box. I will help you. Thank you.